Hi there and welcome to lesson 4. Have you ever wished your painting had more texture, a glossy finish, or smoother blending? Acrylic mediums are the secret ingredients that unlock those possibilities. Think of them as magical enhancers that expand what your paints can do, turning your art into stunning realities. In this lesson, we'll explore these popular mediums like gloss, matte, and texture gels and how to use them effectively. Whether you want a shiny finish, a muted look, or three-dimensional effect. These tools will open up a world of creative opportunities. Let's dive in and discover how mediums can transform your art. Acrylic mediums are additives mixed with paint to change its consistency, texture, or finish. They don't dilute the color intensity, but instead enhance your ability to manipulate the paint. Imagine you're a chef experimenting with different spices. Mediums are like spices for your paint. They add flavor, complexity, and personality to your artwork. Hi everyone, today we are diving into the world of acrylic mediums, the secret weapons of painting. Mediums can help you achieve various effects, from glossy finishes to bold textures. They are not as intimidating as they might seem, and I'll guide you through each step so you can use these with confidence. By the end of this lesson, you'll learn 1. What acrylic mediums are, 2. The main types of mediums, and 3. How and when to use each. Now let's get started. So the type of acrylic mediums. So here are the key mediums we will cover today. 1. We have gloss medium. It is for shine and vibrancy. 2. We have matte mediums for flat, smooth effects. 3. We have gel mediums to thicken paint or extend drying time. 4. We have texture paste for subtle layers. Now let's explore these one by one. So 1. Gloss medium. So what does it do? Gloss mediums give your paint a shiny, reflective finish and enhances the vibrancy of your colors. It's perfect for glowing, lifelike effects. How can we use it? Mix a small amount of a gloss medium with your paint on a palette. Now apply it as you would normally paint. As it dries, you will see the glossy sheen take effect. So for example, use gloss medium to make elements like water, glass, or metallic surfaces shine. Now 2, we're going to the matte medium. So what does it do? Matte medium removes shine, giving your paint a smooth, flat finish. It's great for soft, muted effects and reducing glare. So how can we use it? So you can mix equal parts of matte medium and equal parts of acrylic paint. You can apply it in thin layers and let each layer dry completely before adding more. So for example, you can use matte medium for dreamy landscape, soft backgrounds, or when you want a velvety, non-reflective look. Going on to 3, gel medium. What does it do? Gel medium is thicker than regular paint and is used to extend the drying time, increase transparency, or create thicker layers without losing paint's integrity. Now how can we use it? You can mix gel medium with your paint for thicker strokes or added transparency. You can use it on its own for glazes or blend it with heavy paints for texture effects. So for example, you can use gel mediums for creating soft, translucent layers, styles like impasto. Going on to 4, the texture paste. So what does it do? Texture paste is a lightweight medium that adds subtle raised effects to your painting. It's great for soft textures like fabric folds or smooth surfaces. How can we use it? You can apply it directly to your canvas with a palette knife. So once it dries, you can paint over it to enhance texture. So for example, you can use texture paste for adding delicate textures to your still life paintings or abstract designs. So, wrapping up, acrylic mediums are your best friends when it comes to adding versatility and flair to your artwork. Whether you're aiming for shine, texture, or smooth finishes, there's a medium to help you achieve it. If you want to get hold of these products, do visit our curated store online. The link is provided down below. Next time you're painting, try experimenting with these mediums. You will be amazed at what they can do. Happy creating! Now let's see some tips for working with mediums. Always start small. First you mix a small amount and then test the effects. 2. Mix well. Ensure the medium and the paint are fully blended for consistent result. 3. Experiment. Try different ratios to see how they alter the paint's behavior. Before we dive into today's exercise, let's recap the key points we have learned about acrylic mediums. 1. Gloss medium. It adds shine and transparency, perfect for vibrant and glowing effects. 2. Matte medium. It creates a flat, muted finish. It's ideal for soft and understated artworks. Then moving on to the texture and gels. It adds 3-dimensional depth, making your surfaces dynamic and tactile. Each of these mediums can transform your painting in unique ways. And it's time to put your knowledge into practice. Now moving on to our practice exercise, experimenting with these mediums. Here's how we are going to test out these mediums. 1. Prepare your materials. You will need acrylic paints, 3 small canvases or thick sheets of paper, the mediums, the gloss, matte medium, the texture and gel, brushes and palette knives. 2. Experiment with each medium. In Canvas 1, you can use gloss medium to create a shiny, vibrant effect by mixing it with your paint and observe how it enhances the color. In Canvas 2, you can use the matte medium for flat, muted look, blend it into paint and notice how it softens the finish. In the Canvas 3, we can apply texture and gel directly onto the surface with a palette knife, let it dry and paint over it and create a 3-dimensional effect. Reflect on the results. Take a step back and compare the results. So amazing work today. We explored the transformative power of acrylic mediums and experimented with them firsthand. Don't be afraid to continue testing and combining these tools as you develop your skills. You've taken your first step into the world of acrylic mediums. Well done. In the next lesson, Texture and Effect, we'll explore how to combine techniques and tools to create stunning visual and physical textures in your painting. Get ready to bring your artwork to life like never before. I'll see you in lesson 5.